Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel by click the subscribe button, press the bell icon and get notified directly for last upload. You already subscribed, please press the bell icon and never miss another update. Please also click like video button. Thanks you for watching. An oil super serum from only 2 ingredients, the best homemade remedy against wrinkles around the eyes. Recipe. Almost all women after the 4th decade of their life become irritated by the wrinkles that almost daily appear around the eyes. Well, today we will offer you a remarkable argan oil serum that will do wonders for your skin. Namely, this beneficial oil is the best oil for skin care. It gives excellent results in the case of any skin issues, including acne, eczema, chickenpox and psoriasis. The consumption of argan oil can boost your immune system, improve the blood flow and reduce the bad cholesterol in your blood. This remarkable oil aids digestive processes and reduces stomach inflammations. Furthermore, it's excellent in the fight against arthritis and rheumatic diseases. Due to its special combination of sterols, argan oil provides various and miraculous health benefits. These beneficial components make it perfect against inflammation and are responsible for its anti-cancer properties. Also, argan oil can also be used as a tonic, and is an excellent aphrodisiac. Therefore, using this oil in the serum, which will help you remove wrinkles and rejuvenate your skin, is almost inevitable. This powerful serum contains argan oil and vitamin E. In the case argan oil is too expensive, or you cannot find it, replace it with olive oil. Recipe. You will need 50 ml argan oil, or pure extra virgin olive oil, 5 capsules vitamin E, 2 cotton swabs. Method of preparation. Prepare a homogeneous mixture by mixing the argan oil and the vitamin E capsule. Then, dip the cotton swabs in the serum and place them over your eye area. Leave them thus for 10 minutes, during which, you can relax and lie down. Afterwards, remove the cotton swabs and gently massage the skin around your eyes using your fingers. Use. The regular use of the serum will provide immediate results. It would be best if you apply it, in small amounts, every night. Its use will make your skin rejuvenated, more elastic, hydrated, silky and glowing. What's more, it will be completely wrinkle-free.